Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. In front of me, Brother MFC Printer, and now I can show you how to perform the printhead cleaning on this device. Firstly, you should open Settings and choose Maintenance. And here we have Printhead Cleaning. Here we have black only, color only, and all. So printhead cleaning, this is the feature that cleans the, for example, black printhead to resolve any print quality issues related to black ink. For color only feature functions, so it will clean the color printhead, so cyan, magenta, and yellow, to resolve any print quality issues with color inks. And if you choose all, so this function cleans both black and color printheads simultaneously. So for example, I want to clean only black because I have no any troubles, any issues with color inks, but black printing quality is not so good in my case. So I wanna use and now inside we have normal for several white lines, strong for many white lines, and strongest for blank and light print. So in my case I have just several white lines on all page, and it's very good idea to just fix it in this way, clicking the normal. But if you have strongest printing quality issues, so choose strong or strongest. So I want to use normal and click start. Cool, cleaning completed. Check the printhead nozzles. Yes, I want to check. Click start. So cool, and now my BK is really looks really cool. And of course, if you have if you still have problems with BK, so it's very good idea to try. Yes, are there any dotted lines missing? No. Printhead nozzles are okay. So of course, if you still have printing quality issues, so it's very good idea to try strongest printing head cleaning. But if it still didn't work, so it's very good idea just to change your print head. It's very easy to do, just changing your cartridges. So that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, and bye, see you.